Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jess and thank you so much for tuning into today's video. Today I'm going to be updating you guys on my current skincare routine. If you haven't seen my last skincare routine, I will leave that information up in the cards for you to check that out as well. But if you would like to see what I am currently doing to my face, then please keep on watching. So I figured I would talk first about what my skincare routine has changed, and then I will tell you the products. So what I've changed about my skincare routine is keeping things really nice and simple, and that basically means that I am cleansing my face, exfoliating, and moisturizing. To me, that is the absolute most important thing, because at the end of the day, all of the lotions and potions and different things that will assess different problems don't actually. My skin is very sensitive, and things that are more leaning on basic and just kind of maintenance tend to do the best and most for my skin. So with that in mind, I can show you the products that have been doing really well for me. So in the morning, I wake up and I wash my face, and I will always wash my face with the DERMA E. This is the charcoal gel cleanser, and this is just really lovely. Any leftover oils that I put on at night that didn't sink into my skin, this just kind of gets rid of everything without leaving me too tight and dry, which is amazing. I am a huge fan of this. I've gone through a couple of these bottles now just because my partner and I both use it, so it lives in our shower, it lives by the sink, like we always have it around because it can do no wrong. It's just a really amazing basic cleanser. Then in the morning I will tone my skin, and for that I use the PIXI Glow Tonic. This has 5% glycolic acid in it, so this is an exfoliating toner. I've been using this product for years. There are a lot of products like it on the market right now. I know that Glossier just released a new one. I know that Biologique Recherche has one out for years, but this one is what my skin reacts the best to. This is super simple. I just put it on a cotton round and swipe it over my face and neck. In the morning, I will use it at night if I don't use something else exfoliating, but this just lives in my skincare wardrobe. I refuse to be without it, and I just picked up the larger container. And then once my skin is toned, I just want to put some moisture back into it. This is the Radiant Glow Face Oil with jojoba, argan, and sea buckthorn oils. What I really like about this oil is a couple of drops into the palms of my hands, rubbed together and just pressed into the skin is just enough hydration and moisture for me to move along in my skincare routine and follow up with a sunscreen. Alright, so now it is nighttime. We're envisioning me putting my hair up into a bun, being done with my day, peeling off eyelashes if I have any fake ones on. And for my makeup removal, I love using the DERMA E Vitamin C Micellar Cleansing Water with probiotics and ribose. I believe that's how you say it. This is just a really lovely cleansing water. I put it on cotton rounds and I just hold them up to my eyelids and hold them there for about 30 seconds. I massage really gently. You really don't want to tug at your eyes, so you just want to be nice and gentle to remove that first bit of eye makeup. If I'm just wearing mascara, I will use the micellar water, or if it's a lighter makeup day, that will be just enough for my eyes. But if it's a heavy makeup day, if I have a lot to get off, I will always use the PIXI Double Cleanse as my first cleanser, and this removes all of my makeup so easily. What I really like about the PIXI Double Cleanse is that there's a cream and there's kind of an oil. It's hard to see just because it's white in a white container, but this is kind of down to the crumbs now. I use this every single night without fail to remove face makeup, eye makeup, whatever needs to come off. The oilier side is amazing at removing lash glue, at removing glitter, like shimmer, anything that really wants to grip onto your skin. It just melts it away and it rinses off in a milk. It's so lovely. I will either use the cream cleanser as a follow-up, or I'll go back in with my DERMA E charcoal cleanser if my skin is a bit more problematic or it has breakouts that are trying to come forward. This is definitely a little bit better because it treats the skin and really purifies it once again. But if my skin is really like cool and calm, I will use 2 cleanses of the PIXI. Now we're back into exfoliation. I will either use the PIXI Glow Tonic like I did in the morning, or if my skin needs a little something extra, I will go in with a physical exfoliator. I'm actually really into that right now, and I have 2 to recommend. The first one is the DERMA E Purifying 2-in-1 Charcoal Mask, and what's really nice about this is that it has active charcoal inside of it. And so basically what that means is that after after the mask is nice and dry and it's ready to come off, you can scrub it away, and those little bits of active charcoal in the mask work as an exfoliator too. So not only has the oil been pulled out of the pores, but also you're getting that baby smooth skin. It's so nice. It's just an added bonus to this mask, and if my skin is really clogged or really troubled, this is perfect. The other product that I want to mention is by a brand called NOTO, and they're newer to me, but they are vegan and cruelty free, of course. So this is the Resurface Scrub with AHAs and mint. This is a lovely dry brown scrub. You pick up a little bit in your hands and make sure your hands are nice and wet. Massage them together and then really work it into the face. What I like about this physical exfoliator is that it's so fine. It's not like big granules, it's teeny tiny little fine grain sandy mixture almost. And it's very good for someone like myself who has sensitive skin. It's just gritty enough to really work off any dead skin. It's very soothing, very relaxing, and if you're a fan of mint, there is a sensation to it. It's a little bit cooling, but once you rinse it off, the cooling goes away. Now that our face is nice and clean and exfoliated in any capacity, it is time to moisturize. And I am massively into face oils at night as well as in the morning, and my favorite one for night has been the One Love Organics Omega Calming Chia Oil. I picked this up recently from Petit Vour, and I absolutely adore this stuff. My skin is obsessed with it. It's so beautiful. It has such a calming, neutral smell to it. I'll put about 3 drops into the palm of my hand, massage my hands together, and then press this into my face. This is usually the time of my skincare routine at night where I really take the time to press it into my skin or use my hands to give myself a nice light facial massage. Different patting motions or swiping motions can be really helpful for building collagen and improving the elasticity of your skin when combined with an oil. As a final step, I use the DERMA Vitamin C Intense Night Cream. It's just this nice thick cream. A little does go a long way, which I love about it. And it's in a nice heavy glass jar, which I feel like is why we're talked into buying really expensive night creams a lot of the time, is because of the packaging. So I really love this night cream. It has that vitamin C in it, which will help with my hyperpigmentation and will help to remove any major discoloration in my skin. And it's just kind of clarifying and clearing while also being really hydrating and nourishing. I love this night cream. If you're looking for an affordable and cruelty-free and vegan skincare brand to try out, DERMA is one of the best. I really can't speak more highly of the products that I've tried. So that is my current skincare routine. It's pretty simple, it's pretty sweet. I don't really have a ton of expensive products in rotation right now, but what I do have is serving me so well. Please let me know down in a comment what you are loving in your skincare routine, or if you plan on trying any of the products that I've mentioned in this video. Everything, of course, will be linked in the down bar, as well as all of my social media. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you're all having an amazing day, and I will speak to you in the next video. Bye.